Hey, welcome back to Respect. Today comparison we have for you. We don't have a comparison for you today. Today we actually have a review. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so. So Poco has sent us one of their newest review unit. It's the Poco F4. Do you remember the Poco F3? Any issues you have with those devices? All be gone in its newest Poco F4. It comes with a better performance and a better design. Well, I'm gonna do a camera test, a gaming test, and a unboxing. The question is, will it log? Or will it overheat? Or will it fail miserably? But first, let's take a look and see what comes inside the box. Let's go. So safety first in it. Well, the Poco F4 is coming equipped with a highly popular Snapdragon 870 flagship processor. Wow, been waiting for this thing for a long while. It's a 3.2 prime core speed that gives you a 5G super fast connectivity. Wow, it feels so good. I know you can't wait to get yours also. Because the Poco F4 is optimized for fast performance. That means you're getting shorter uploading time, scrolling experience on the web, super fast. It's also come with a upgraded cooling technology. What that means, you get a higher level performance. You have a super big vapor chamber that cool down the CPU even faster. Can't wait for this. It offers a DDR5 RAM and a UFS 3.1. That means transfer rate is super fast. This is a SIM pin that they call the SIM card. Then these are the manual that you should read. And this is a Type-C adapter, meaning the phone doesn't come with a 3.5mm earphone jack, but you can use the adapter. So you plug the phone in this end and plug this part in the charging port. And you have a protective screen and a protective case. Thanks for these, Poco. This is one of the better phones. I think it will be better than the Poco F3, to be honest. And this is all that you've been waiting for. And it's not heavy. It has a light weight to it. Yeah. Feels really nice. Can't wait to unwrap this. Let's put it this side. What else in the box? So you have a USB cable. The weight of the phone is 195 grams. So it's not really heavy, it's light. The colors are, it's coming moonlight silver, or night black, or nobler green, and the fast charger brick. So this is a 67 fast turbo charge, able to charge your phone within 38 minutes, 0 to 100. Yeah. 4,500 milliamp battery. That'll give you like 37 hours of phone call, 119 minutes of music. That's a lot. Lots of goodies in the box. So this is what you've been waiting for, the unwrapping. So this one is the night black. It feels super thin, only 7.7mm thin, 195 grams. It's not heavy. As for the display, it's a 6.67 inches. AMOLED display, refresh rate 120 Hz. Super fast. The touch sampling rate is only 360 Hz. It comes with a DR10 plus, so everything is bright. Nits brightness 1300, and I have a Gorilla Glass version 5. Yeah, I like the glassy look on it. So right here you have the fingerprint sensor, which is also the power button, and you have the volume up button. Pretty decent. Dual speaker system. There's nothing on this side. So on the bottom, you have a mic, you have the earphone port, and you have another dual speaker. I'm liking it. So at the front, you have a 20 megapixel, fully HD video recording, 30 frames per second camera. At the back, you have a 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel macro lens, and the big boy 64 megapixel main camera. And I like the design, feels really good, comfortable to hold in my hand. Wi-Fi 6, everything you need in a phone. MIUI 13, and the screen look really beautiful. So Poco really did well with the screen. Touch sensitivity, really fast response now for the camera. So the phone fit perfectly well inside of a gimbal, and it feels really super comfortable inside of my hand. So here are the camera tests that I take with the phone. Well, the 20 megapixel front selfie camera is not that bad. It's not too saturated, just right, natural look. While the main lens has that nice crispy look, like the Sony camera, and the zoom quality, not much grain inside the photos. So if you want to be up more close and personal. Well, the ultra wide lens, it is wide. But one thing, as you can know, the green in the grass is kind of a bit washed out a bit. I'll be using the main lens more anyway. What I like more about the Poco F4 main camera is when you're using the full 64 megapixel lens. It gives you nice quality photo. Well, the portrait camera, it really does its job. It separates the foreground from the background really nice, as you can see in the top. So the ultra wide lens can only do Full HD at 30 frames per second. 4K is not available while in ultra wide mode. As I said, the color is a bit too washed out a bit, but it can be worked with. And I am loving the main lens. The color, the saturation is just right. 4K, 60 frames per second you're able to use. I'm loving the main camera lens. It's my best feature of this phone. So for me, the camera is a win, except for the ultra wide. It's just a bit too washed out for me for the colors. Let's see what the gaming is like.
Enemy contact! Sniper! Enemy down!
We've taken the lead.
Target's inside! Contact with enemy!
He's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead.
Target down! Enemy contact! Headshot!
Wind blade. Wind blade. Wind blade. Disappear.
These are the animal powers you got from the Statue of the Seven.
So for me, the Poco F4, no overheating issue. The camera is okay except for the ultra wide lens. So would you upgrade from the Poco F3 or from another phone to the Poco F4? It's definitely a win. You have superb gaming, the battery is excellent, fast speed. What more you need? The Poco F4 is the phone for you. See you in the next one, guys.